This is an early 5-month result of hair transplant along the hairline, just to rebuild the entire hairline. And you can tell that you can't even see what is a graft and what is natural. The two look indistinguishable. And this is going to continue to further grow in over the next year, but it's a very, very good restoration. And you can look even close-up magnification. These grafts are placed in such a way that they match the natural existing hairline, so there's no abrupt transitions from transplanted to non-transplanted hairs. And you can see the angle this way that create the central cowlick. There's these fine one-hair grafts. This is called a regional transplant, where we're using finer grafts to the front, restoring along the edge across here. And it's just really seamless. You can't even tell where a transplanted zone starts and stops. So this is just 5 months out, and we'll follow this over the next year or so.